A moderate magnitude 3.6 earthquake hit 18.7 kilometers, 12 miles, away from Pátrai, West Greece, in the early afternoon of Monday, July 14, 2025 at 2:20 p.m. local time, GMT+3. The quake had a very shallow depth of 5 kilometers, 3.1 miles, and was reported felt by some people near the epicenter. First to report, Raspberry shake after 2 minutes. The earthquake occurred 6 days after a magnitude 3.8 earthquake had hit on Tuesday, July 8, 2025, at 9:59 p.m. GMT+3 local time, in 86 kilometers, 54 miles, distance to the south. Data source from Volcano Discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May the earthquake that occurred not affect our brothers and sisters there. May the earthquake not happen again. And may God protect everyone. Amen.